Hey everybody, welcome back to Kinfolk Farm. It's about 4:40 in the morning and I thought I would get out here and check the quail and get the eggs, get the chicken eggs. Everybody went to a pool party last night while I was at work, and so they didn't get home in time to get everything picked up, and I thought, well heck, I feel pretty good, so I'd get out here and get these quail eggs. We're trying to save them up so we can get ready for another hatch. Let's go see what everybody's doing at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'll try to do this real quick so I don't bother the birds too bad. I don't know if you guys do this, but I check my birds early in the morning. It doesn't bother me a bit. Grab these eggs real quick. Got a lot of eggs. Okay. Look at all the turkeys. They're getting big. The turkeys are really getting big. Let me glance in here. There's some eggs in the middle in there. I think I'll leave those. I might as well grab them. That's the only thing about doing this. I can't see a thing with this light shining in my face. This light shining in my face. I can't see a thing. It's kind of fun and kind of creepy at the same time. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, that's just two. It's funny, one day we'll have a bunch in here and then the next day we won't have but a couple. Go grab these real quick. That one needs to be clean. That one's horrible looking. Look at that. That's terrible. That one needs to be cleaned bad. Alright, that's done in there. Let me take that one out. That one looks rough. That one right there. I'm gonna leave that bad one out of the bucket. That one looked really bad. What do you guys normally do at 4:40 in the morning? Sleep. I'm gonna go to bed as soon as I get done doing this. Look at these guys. You ain't supposed to be in here. You ain't supposed to be in here. We got a couple that we just put up that were broody. And of course, we get a couple more that go broody. Get a couple more that go broody right behind them. And she, I don't think, no, she's broody or not. I think she's just sleeping on the, oh, you can't see her. I think she's just sleeping on the edge. I don't think she's broody. She's just sleeping on the edge right there. She's just sleeping on the edge. Let's see. That's it for that. Oh, that's getting a pretty good haul of eggs. Well, that's a pretty good haul. Half a bucket full. A little over a dozen, maybe 2 dozen. What I want to get is these quail eggs. I'm so pumped about these quail eggs. We got the babies hatching in there now. We got all the babies hatching in there now. And so far we got over 40 that have hatched. As soon as today when I wake up, I think we're going to clean out what's left in the incubator. We got some more in the incubator. I think we'll clean those out and then clean up the rest of the eggshells and give it a good wipe down, and we're going to chunk some more in there towards the weekend. I'd like to get at least over 50 to put in there again. So we're still getting more eggs to try to get that count up. Let me get back. That She's gonna go out the door. I hope the audio's good on this. I feel like I'm whispering. I feel like I'm whispering the whole time for some reason. And one thing about these eggs, they are so camouflaged in here. Here's one. Let's see what else. There's another one. Most of them are usually over here. There's one. There's a couple over here. One over there. I'm terrible with this camera. There's some more. So that gave us 3, 6, 7, 8. So not too bad. Not too bad. I got a little something on. I don't know what that is. Not too bad of a haul. Is that all? Oh, I see one more. That one's under there. Oh, 2 more. All right, there's 10. There's 10. That's what we've been averaging, 9 to 10 a day. Oh, there's one more. We must be missing these through the week. There's 11. All right, that's our bunch. Good day. I think they got it covered up a little bit. Okay. Yep. All right. Well, guys, that's that. I got the eggs. Pretty good haul at 4:40 in the morning, going on 5 o'clock. I'm gonna run in here and get me some sleep. I've been driving all evening, but I'm gonna run in here and get me some sleep. Get up, and I'll look a lot different because I'm usually really groggy. I'll get up, and we'll jump in the quail and see how they're doing. I'm hoping we'll have a 10 or 15 more that's hatched out. Probably won't, but we had a couple that we had lost. We did lose a couple birds. I think Destiny called me last night and said that we had lost another one. So we lost 2 or 3 birds so far, little chicks. But so far we got about 40 that are running around like crazy. So hopefully we'll get up to the 50 mark. That'd be great. Want me to carry you? Oh, we're gonna head downstairs. Papa finally woke up, right? Y'all don't pay attention to Destiny's room. She'll be mad. Papa finally woke up. Now we can go check the baby quails. Let's go see. Ooh, it's getting stinky in here. Smelling like a room full of baby quails. They're doing great. They're almost out of water, almost out of food, so they're eating and drinking. They're eating and drinking. Hold on, guys. Let's see. Hey, don't start squishing those. Hold on a second. Papa needs to get all that cleaned up. Let's make room for Emma. Slide over and make room for Emma. Come on right here. Oh.
Now it looks like a big quail.
Let's see.
No,
one more hatched. We got one. That's it. That's this guy. I think it's about time to turn it off. This is where our smell's coming from. I think we got this guy left.
Why not putting water in there?
Whoops. Let's put him in here with the big guys.
Why you not putting water in there?
Let's see if we can get him to drink and hold on. Okay. He's getting beat around pretty good. I think we're going to clean this up. I want to try to get a tally and see how our egg count went. But so far, so good. I want to kind of get a tally, and I think I still hear one peeping in here. This one's got one peeping in. I think where I messed up, the humidity's back up, but when we were having a hatch, we stopped adding water. I never did pull my, well, I guess Travis or somebody did. Somebody pulled a plug. But we lost all our humidity, and I think that caused a lot of these birds not to be able to hatch out. I think that caused it where a lot of them didn't hatch out. See, there's one trying to get out right there.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Yeah, I see his beak right there trying to get out.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
He's just pecking right there. But our humidity dropped. Let me close this back up. One thing we learned is from this batch, actually, these are not like chicks. Hey, look, Mason, watch out for a second. You're supposed to, when they start hatching about halfway through your hatch, you're supposed to pull these little plugs and let that humidity drop so your birds can dry off. But quail, you got about a 3-day hatch, where they're hatching within that 3-day period, where I think we should leave the plugs in. If somebody pulled the plugs, I got to go ask around and see who pulled the plug. But the humidity should stay up, I think, to let these birds finish hatching out. Because there's a bunch of them that were in the shell. I think were in there yesterday too, and can't get out for the fact they dried out. Because yesterday I come in here, the humidity was down to nothing, so I added another bottle of water. But you learn as you go. Like I say, it takes about 3 days for these guys to hatch. They don't hatch quick like chickens do. You got about 3 days, so keep your humidity up. That's what we'll do next time, this next batch. So I just got to find out if it was Destiny or Travis, because it's only me, Destiny, and Travis that are doing the incubating. So somebody pulled the plug, but that's okay. We're still learning. But we got a few in there that look like they can't get out, and there's got a bunch that may have died in the shell because they're starting to stink really bad. But guys, that's our little quail update. They are doing fantastic. One thing about these jokers, they don't like to be held. See if I can get one. I need to give him some food more. Look at that. Tell me that ain't a cute little bird. I love them. I love them. And we're still learning. We're still learning. This is only our second batch that we hatched. But we learned to keep the humidity up. So we'll put that in the books. Let me give these guys some food and some water, guys. I appreciate you checking out our channel. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell too, and when you click that notification bell, it'll give you an option, hit all. That way YouTube will show you all, or send you a notification about all our videos that we put out. But guys, really appreciate it again. Stick around, we're going to do a bunch more of these quail videos. Appreciate it again, see you on the next video.